Where is the ISS? Well, it's right here, silly. Hey, curious kids, Kevin here. Today on A Place Called Space, we are talking about where is the International Space Station, or simply nicknamed the ISS. Well, it's an orbiting laboratory, orbiting Earth in a low Earth orbit, or LEO orbit, and it's about 400 kilometers or 250 miles high, traveling at 28,000 kilometers per hour or 17,500 miles per hour. This means it goes around the Earth every 90 minutes, giving the astronauts on board the chance to see 16 sunrises and 16 sunsets every single day. Now, it was built by 5 space agencies working together: NASA, JAXA, the Japanese Space Agency, ESA, the European Space Agency, the Russian Space Agency, and CSA, the Canadian Space Agency. It is the largest artificial satellite in Earth orbit. The whole thing, including the solar panels, is about the size of a US football field. And for 20 years, over 20 years, there have always been astronauts on board it. That means the last time that all humans were on Earth together was back in the year 2000. Can you see it? Yep. You can look at it at night from Earth with your own eyes. It is the third brightest object in the sky. Number 1 is the sun, and number 2 is the moon. Now, when you look up, it appears to travel from west to east as like a bright star. The ISS's orbit passes overhead of 90% of Earth's population. So, NASA created this super awesome website called Spot the Station. It's at www.spotthestation.nasa.gov, and there you can put in your location and it will tell you the best place to see the ISS pass overhead in a 50-mile radius. You can even sign up to get emails and texts to notify you when it's going to be visible soon at your location. Now on to trivia. The answer to last week's question of what is the word to make a planet like Earth is A, terraform. This week's question is, what was the first ever space station? Was it A, Mir, B, Salute, C, Skylab, or D, the ISS? Tune in next week to get your answer. Always be curious.